Tired of your overbearing,
You're gonna get a sunburn.
Mom.
Back to school, hon. Even got something for Dad. Fun, right?
controlling,
Come on, guys. Let's do a conga line.
and embarrassing parents ruining your summer vacation? You need Parent in a Box Summer Edition. From the makers that brought you Parent in a Box, the revolutionary parent containment tool that puts you in control, comes Parent in a Box Summer Edition. Due to increased time spent with parents in the summer, our team of leading box experts have improved upon the original Parent in a Box design, adding in-box activities so you can customize the container experience for mom or dad. Now your parents can enjoy their favorite activities like non-strenuous exercise,
Whenever you were doing so good at that, I thought we were...
lawn maintenance,
Yeah, I'll go. Okay, we can do that.
and endless conversations with their sisters within the comfort and confinement of Parent in a Box Summer Edition. And best of all, you can enjoy your summer freedom guilt-free. Just ask these satisfied customers.
My mom kept bugging me to start my summer reading list. But thanks to the new custom options, she now has a summer reading list of her own.
I was really worried my dad was going to set the house on fire this 4th of July, but not anymore. Thanks, Summer Edition.
So join the trillions of happy teens that are taking control and having the summer they always dreamed of with Parent in a Box Summer Edition. Yours for just 6 easy payments of $54.99. Act fast. Our operators are standing by. In boxes their teens put them in. Order now. Visit Benzac.com to start taking control of your skin today.